What's going on, everybody? This is Riad here again with another platformer tutorial. Today we're going to work on power-ups. So first of all, I just added this spawn effect here, and I have a sprite for power-ups basically. So we're going to choose some of them as a sprite and spawn some power-ups on the game. So first of all, I've created this group called power up, and I'm going to create an object here called first of all, choose your power up sprite, and let's go ahead like maybe HP power up. Okay, and in the create event, I'm going to add the create event here. Okay, and let's say HP equals 15 or something. Okay, so this is the amount to increase the player's health with. Okay, and yeah, so that's all. And in the step event, or you know what, let's actually make another parent in the parents folder, and let's call it obj power up parent. Okay, and just select the parent from here. Okay, and in the parent here we're gonna add the step event. Okay, and let's call the gravity here, gravity script, and of course the collision, and it needs to be a solid object. Oh no, it doesn't need to be a solid object. Whatever, we need the collision event with the ground. Okay, so just the basic collision code, and ESP equals 0. Okay, now we're going to the here. Well, first of all, we need to actually set the MSP to 0. Okay, and now we're going to choose the index of the HP box, and so it's the 7, or it should be, yeah, it's 7. Image index equals 7. Okay, and then now let's add a collision event with the player. Okay, first of all, let's say if other dot is alive. Okay, so if the player is alive, then we're going to increase his health. So with other HP plus equals HP, I guess, or whatever that was. Well, we need actually to change this to, you know, let's just change it to HP. I can't think of a name, seriously. Well, whatever. Okay, and we need actually to destroy, you know, the box here. And in the create event, we may actually want to spawn or create an effect like this one. So let's just what was the script? Send the effect, I guess. Yeah, and we need to call it on the server, so it obj server, send the effect. Well, first of all, the socket. Yeah, so we need so for I equals 0, I is less than yes list size sockets I plus plus. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Okay, what the? Alright. Okay, so this is the socket, the effect type, and the X and Y. Well, we need actually some variables here. So yeah, so let's call I think there should be a wait. Well, first of all, let's actually go to the client. Where is it? And it's the spawn effect. It's gonna be 1. Okay. Here, so it's gonna be 1. Okay. Now we need to change this to XX and YY, and yeah. I don't really want to, create a global variable, so interesting. Yeah. Let's actually see if he's going to actually access those variables. I don't think he can, but whatever. Yeah, so now let's go back to the client networking, or actually create effect script. Okay, so if effect type is it was spawn effect, then we're going to create the spawn effect. Okay, let's actually duplicate this one. Let's call it spawn effect, and we need to change the sprite to this one. Just see. Okay, now let's go back to our HP. Well, so the parent of this power-up box is the power-up parent, and this parent needs to be a child of the network object. Okay, so now let's go back to our script here, send survive mode, and we gotta add plus instance number obj power up parent. Okay, or actually this should work because network object. Oh yeah, never mind. Well, so we need an ID. Okay. Well, so let's go to the power up parent, and let's add a create event. Okay, and let's just set an ID for this as -2, but we need to go back to the the HP box and make sure that to the event inherited. So when the child and the parent, both of them have a create event, then the create event of this child won't be executed. Okay, so that's what we need to type this. And yeah, I think that's all for now. So let's go back to the server. Let's add an alarm 1. Okay, and here we're gonna spawn power-ups. Okay, so let's say if constants number obj power parent is let's say less than 10, so we don't want 10 boxes of more than 10 boxes on the game. Then let's say var xx yy, okay, say random floor random, okay, to negative 64, and it should be 32. Okay, so just to make sure it won't collide with solid objects, let's do the same thing here. Or for the y, actually it's set it as 64, it's gonna be fine. Then instance create, but we need actually to one more variable here. It's gonna be choose. And for now we have the just HP power up, but when we add more power ups to the game, so we're gonna add them here, and the script will automatically choose one of them and create it on the game. Okay. Yeah, so the x is gonna be xx yy, and the obj is powered up. Okay, and you're gonna repeat this alarm. So alarm 1 equals room speed times let's say maybe you wanna create this power up every 30 seconds, so times 30. Okay, divided by let's say minimum of 1, or actually maximum of 1, or ds list size sockets. So if they are too many players on the game, then we will spawn items or power-ups faster. Okay, and of course we need to initialize the alarm here. So let's say alarm 1 equal, let's say real speed times 5. So we're gonna have an item in the first 5 seconds. So let's actually run the game now and see if it's gonna work. Well, I still think we need I don't think this is gonna work because the server cannot access those two variables, and yeah, let's actually see. 1 2 3 4 5. Yep. Oh, it's actually because of the sockets. I probably, yep, sockets. Alright. And I'm thinking of adding the spawn effect when the players spawn too. But whatever, for now let's actually test oh, it's working. Oh, cool. But for now, I'm going to let the... Well, what was that? Oh, yep. So this should be actually plus well, let's say okay, for HP equals HP, and hopefully it can access this script now. let's actually go back to the power up parent and let's add the draw event. And let's just add the comment here so the draw event will not be executed. And one more thing I want to do, and that's actually deleting the, where is it? Yeah, so we don't need this anymore. And the monster too. Oh, sorry, we're not doing that. Okay. Wait, did we see actually the spawn effect or not? Oh yeah, it's working. But for now, I'm going to let the enemies shoot me sometimes, and so now I'm going to get the box, and yep, so I get some extra health. But for now, I just actually want to add some more effects so we can, you know. Yeah, so since it's working, and actually we don't want the player to get, you know, more than 100 health, so we're just going to say if HP is greater than 100, then HP equals, well, actually say max HP. Okay, so let's quickly create this variable. So max HP equals 100. Okay, and let me just see what effects can we oh, one more thing. We need actually to, oh no, never mind. Well, maybe we'll use this one as well. Well, let me just choose, maybe we'll use this one, but I don't know what it's going to do, but well, this KO box, well, so I'm going to create another effect. You can mess with that and create your own effects. I'm just going to add one more here, so let's duplicate this, and let's go with obj KO power up, and in the create event we get well, we don't need this variable anymore, and yep, so the collision event with the player, so we don't need this anymore, this too, but we need actually to get the ID of the player, so player ID plus other dot ID, and we gotta well, so if the player get that box, we're going to see if there are some monsters close to the player. If so, we're going to kill them all, okay? And yeah, so we're going to see for yeah, we're going to create for loop here for var I equals 0, I is less than es, or is less than instance number obj monster I plus plus let's actually make sure that if instance number obj monster is greater than 0, okay. So in this case we're going to see the monsters of our monster equals instance find bj monster, so I for distance equals distance to object, okay, and let's say so object's gonna be obj or monster, should I say, or should we actually, yeah, it's gonna be fine. Actually we need a variable here called activation range, and it's gonna be 100. So let's say here, if distance is less than activation range, then with monster instance destroy, or no, I think we need so instance create, so it's gonna be monster.x monster.y, oh, what was that? Well, it's actually var explosion, okay, since it's create obj explosion effect, okay, and explosion effect dot id equals player id, okay. Yeah, I think that's all. Well, actually we need to destroy this here. Or here, okay. Wait a little. I think we will not destroy the box if well, for now we're not going to destroy it here, but yeah, so we destroy it when the for loops end, or if but so let's say here if I equals instance number j monster -1, then instance or destroy, okay. Yep, that's all. Now I actually need to change the index to 9, I guess. I think it was 9. Just make sure. No, it's 3. Okay. We also need to create the effect for, you know, the explosion. So wait, I think we can, or are we actually creating it here? Yeah, we definitely should create it here. So what I'm going to do is wait, good. grenade. Yeah, we definitely should get rid of that for now. Okay, and we will spawn the effects of the clients from here. Okay, and I'm going to figure out for x equals x, y equals y. Yep. Oh, wait. Okay. I think we don't need this anymore. Yep. Okay, that sounds good for now. And the last thing we need to do is actually go back to the server, and in the alarm 1 we're going to add the the KO box. Power up. Alright. And for some reasons I'm going to actually decrease the, just for testing, I'm going to set the alarm as every 3 seconds for quick testing, and I'm going to reset it as the previous code, because we may not get the box from the first try. So yeah. Now I'm going to create server, spawn a player, and we actually should change the shoot key from S to space or something. Yeah, so we got the KO box, and I'm going to get it. Okay. Alright, come on, follow me. Follow me. Come on. Yeah. Oh, what's the problem? Seriously? Yeah, but what's wrong with the... Wait. Says destroy. What's wrong here? Seriously. Wait, I'm going to run the game one more time and see what's happening. It seems like we're creating a lot of explosion effects. Come on. Seriously. Seriously. Really? No KO box? Okay. Yup. Now what's happening here? Well, I'm going to let one of them collide with it and see if it's going to die. Yeah, it is. I don't get it. What's wrong with Oh, yeah. So you know what's happening? It's actually we definitely shouldn't or you know what? So since we're using this, well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this to explosion. Okay. this is explosion. Alright, going to put it here, and let's actually duplicate this. Let's call it obj explosion. Oh, what was that? Okay, obj explosion effect. Oh god, seriously. Explosion effect. What was explosion effect? Okay, let's put it here in the effects. Okay, and let's actually go back to the monster. Yeah, so now it's colliding with the explosion. And where is it? So this should be not visible, so we're not going to draw it. Okay, let's go back to the grenade, and in the destroy event, make sure to change this to explosion. Okay, so because if we didn't actually change this, then we'll be creating unlimited explosion effects. So yeah, now I'm going to run the game one more time, and hopefully everything will work just fine. Okay. Right. Seriously. Why is not dying? Oh, yep. One more thing we need to do. This should be explosion. Sorry. Yep. Now I'm going to create an exe game. Okay, just to see if things are working fine. And it's actually, so since everything's working fine, it's actually remove this. Let's actually wait first to okay. Okay. Now I will see if items are going to spawn if we have 10 boxes first, and then I will spawn a player. So right now we have 6 items or boxes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so we're not spawning items if you have 10 power-ups on the game. Now I'm going to kill this using the... Seriously. What the hell? Oh, I think I know what we did wrong this time. Actually, here we need actually to remove this. Okay. Or okay, yeah, that's all I need to do. So I'm going to run the server from here, the client from here, this will be the client. This is the server. Okay. Hopefully we'll spawn oh yeah, so we need to wait 30 seconds for the next box. Come on. Yep. So now we should. Yeah. So wait. What's wrong with the chat? Oh, so it seems like the Arabic language is not supported, so even if I'm writing, it won't actually. Oh yeah. So we'll change this to English or French, whatever. Yeah, so now it's working fine. And yeah, so that was all for today, guys. Don't forget to like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.